one, the only, Mr. Craig Shoemaker.
The work I did with him in preparing for my TEDx talk was instrumental.
This is something that is scalable, sustainable, that you can use for the rest of your life.
I'm going through a really challenging time with both of my parents in decline, and this has been a lifesaver. You have reminded me of things I had forgotten about, and even the first class, I had a huge letting go, and you reminded me of the power of laughter.
When I found Craig Shoemaker, I was originally skeptical because how could a famous stand-up comedian relate to my situation?
You literally can't be depressed while you're laughing. Watch this. I'm depressed. I'm depressed. In that moment, I'm not depressed. There's not even a shot that I'm depressed.
I was blown away when I realized not only did he relate, but he knew how to fix my situation.
Laughter makes you more magnetic. You're more approachable. Think about your sales and people you deal with.
The tools that you gave us were so easy to apply and life-changing.
Ever since I started my Zoom sessions with Craig, I honestly feel unrecognizable in all the best ways.
Obviously, it oxygenates your body. Healing endorphins are released when you laugh. Stress is relieved when you laugh.
The best part is that even when the course is over, I still get to use these tools every single day.
Plus, I'm having so much fun.
Thank you, Craig.
Thank you, Craig, for actually helping me with my confidence.
Thanks for everything, Craig.
I almost talked myself out of it, but working with Craig was one of the best decisions I've ever made.
I got promoted at work, my relationship is stronger than ever, and I'm about to invest in my first home.
He helped me significantly improve my presentation and style, from being cerebral in my head to being more in my heart. Thank you so much for the help you gave me. I can't wait to come back and get more.
And I feel like I have a lightness in my heart, and I'm truly grateful.
I want to share this with as many people as I can.